And you do need to know what your content's about. Like, let's say if you're someone that's branding yourself as, let's say you're just branding yourself as a nail tech. You don't want to be posting videos dancing. Like, in the third step, you need to start seeing, okay, who the type of people that I don't want on my, who are the type of people that's coming that my brand does not speak to. You don't need to be talking to everybody on social media. You don't need to engage with everybody on social media. You don't want those people around your brand and things like that. Like, we had our business going. We had our sub companies within the company, everything. It was just because we didn't understand financial literacy on a business sense at the level that we should have. You know, that's something I'm gonna end up talking about too, because there's a certain ways you need to try to organize your brand, especially if you have different businesses under in it and stuff. Like, so much information out here when it comes to, oh, you need to get an LLC, you need to do this. It's not the right information.